Hi guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to boost your Xbox followers to absolutely any number. You want to start by visiting this website called webboostgrowth.com. For new users, click on the sign up button to register an account. It's instant, no approvals required. I'm going to use the sign in option as I already have an account with them. Here's what the interface looks like after sign in. Great tip. This site isn't just for boosting your Xbox followers, but can also boost all your social media accounts. Here's a list of services available. Now choose the Xbox category, move down, and click on Services to select a package. It says here that 1K Xbox followers is $3. 5K costs $13, 10K for $28, 15K for $40, 20K for $55, 50K for $140, and 100K for $270. Choose a preferred service, and then move down to input your Xbox gamer tag at the username area. Click on New Order, and voila, your order has